I got this new vlog camera. Can I? Yes.
So me and my boyfriend are leaving in about 3-4 days. I just packed some snacks for my relatives in Malaysia because all of my extended family is there, and I thought I'd get stuff that they couldn't get in Malaysia. Unfortunately, my dad can't go. Kind of making this vlog for you, Dad, if you're watching. Hello. After I edit everything, hopefully you'll get like a good summary as to how this trip went. We made it to the airport. Whoa. Hello. Made it to Hong Kong airport. Ooh, kind of hungry. Malaysia! Back to the motherland. Hi, we're here at one of my aunts and uncle's house. It's so warm. We're gonna head out for dinner. We're gonna get some seafood. So we're here at Jetty Seafood. This is the pier, little dock here. River just stretches across. Good morning. Today is Monday and woke up pretty early because I'm pretty jet lagged. The plan is we're going to gonna get ready, eat breakfast, and then head to Golden Sands Resort right off the coast of Penang Island for I think the next 3 days, 2 nights. So yeah. So Benji can't handle spicy. So the lemon and herb says not so brave. Alright, what does this one say? It says what? Gets you in the mood. Spicy. Is it dangerous?
You don't really proper safety.
I don't know. Alright. It's day 2 at Golden Sands Resort and we're gonna try and catch the sunrise. It's about like 7-10 a.m. and it rises in 15 minutes, so hopefully we get it. Here's today's outfit. Got pants from Uniqlo and then the shirt from H&M.
Really?
Yes.
So stylish. I got this for my volleyball shirt in freshman year of high school.
You look good today. Louis.
Wow, amazing.
Alright, let's go. Oh, this is so nice when there's no people. Oh, wait. We're gonna get hit by the sprinkler.
We have to time it.
Go! Whoa, 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 wait. Go! Okay. Wait, don't we just go across?
We definitely did not go.
No, we just go across the...
The grass is all wet from the sprinklers.
Dang. We're back in the States. Today is our 4th/5th-ish day in Malaysia, and so we got back from the resort, had lunch at my aunt's place, and then now we're back at my uncle's place, and yeah, we'll stay here one more night, and then we're heading to my grandparents' house.
Learn to put inside. Ah.
Learn to put
Yeah.
So everyone else is taking a bath, so I guess I'll take the time to record something. So I'm at my grandpa's house and we just had lots of food. We went shopping, got some goodies to bring back to the US. Maybe I'll insert like a clip or something here. And yeah, most of the trip has been food. Lots of food, so the vlog will mostly just be food. But tomorrow we are leaving my grandpa's house, and then we're going to head back to Penang for pretty much the remainder of our trip, and then we'll head back on New Year's. I just want to show that we're still eating after dinner.
Waiting for the next.
Waiting for burgers. We're at the jetty. Is that what it's called? The jetty?
Yeah.
What name is it? Oh, this one Tan Jetty. Tan Jetty. Wow.
Having both. What's coming? What's coming?
Oh, there's so many. Hi. Like, yeah, no. They're gonna attack you, I swear.
You think so? The foreigners.
On top of you. It's coming.
It's our last day in Penang. We're at the butterfly farm, and then later we're gonna do some shopping, and we're gonna say goodbye to Malaysia. Now go get in that frog. Whee! Slide.
So if they walk to front, you just put another hand in front. Yes. Let them got the way to walk. Yes.
Wow, thank you. So it's the end of our last day here in Penang and in Malaysia. So we leave to catch our flight at about 5 a.m. tomorrow morning. And tomorrow will be the first day of the new year, 2020. But we'll see how outdated this video is depending on how long editing takes. For now, thanks for watching, and till next time, bye-bye. I just